Tango down, tango down.
Okay, cool.
Come on, Jacob!
Hey guys, Grubandtherangerz here and welcome back. Today we've got some more night vision gameplay from the Mass outside of Kansas City, Missouri. So today we are doing a game mode where one team starts on one side of the building, one team starts on the other side of the building, and your objective is to push the other team out of the building. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Hey, are there guys on the other team with fucking tracers? Are there guys on the other team with tracers?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, what's wrong? Are they around the corner?
Yep.
Can I get behind you? Here, kill the light real quick. How far down are they? No, I got nods. Just give me a rough idea. Like all the way down? Okay, hold on. He's laying down in the corner. Huh? So he's into the hallway on the right side, hiding behind the barrel. Oh, now he's around the corner apparently. Hold on, kill that real quick.
Obviously, I'm a bad guy if I come around the fucking corner.
I got him.
hand, that hand.
You did? Okay.
Yeah, it's my hand.
Hey.
Gang, gang.
I didn't mean to do that, heard they? They're right around this wall behind me.
Gang, gang.